Hi guys, it's me, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make some pickled ginger today. This is known as Gari, and it is the ginger that they give you when you eat sushi. It's very nice to have at home. It's easy to make. It'll last you for a good month or more in the fridge, and it is a nice palate cleanser. I have some washed ginger here, which I'm going to peel and cut very thinly. So I'm just going to grab a spoon and I'm going to scrape off the skin. Try and find young ginger, meaning, you don't want those big pieces because they have a lot of fiber and we don't want fiber in this. So once I peel it, I'm going to start slicing it very thinly. If you have a mandolin, use it. So we want nice and thin pieces. This is how we want to cut it. Okay. I'm only going to do 2 of the roots. I have plenty in here. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And I'm using sea salt, guys. If you can use sea salt, that would be good. Or use kosher salt. Iodized salt sometimes changes the flavor of these things. So if you only have iodized, then use that, okay? I'm going to just rub that in. And we're going to let this sit on the counter for about 30 minutes. Okay, I transferred the ginger into a clean jar, as you can see. We're going to use rice vinegar for this recipe. It doesn't have to be organic. This is what I found at the store, okay? But make sure it's not seasoned. We just want pure rice vinegar. So we're going to use a whole, and I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of sugar. We're going to stir this until the sugar is dissolved. And we're going to let it come to a boil and turn off the heat. Once it starts to boil, take it off the heat, okay? And we're going to pour the hot liquid into the jar with the ginger. We are going to wait for this to cool down, and then we're going to refrigerate it and leave it in there at least 1 week, guys, before we can enjoy it. Let's taste our ginger. Yummy.